Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to activate cross-platform on Fortnite Season 7, and let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay guys, this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial. There's nothing difficult about this. In the background you can just see my account loading up. If you guys want to add me, it's Scoot4321 if you want to ever play with me. And here I'm just going through the settings, just kind of letting you guys know what you can do. And I just got a friend request there actually. So here on Xbox, it shows your Xbox friends first, and you're probably wondering like, oh, how do I play with my Epic friends since I have an Epic account? And all you have to do basically is just scroll down and it'll show Epic friends. As you can see, I have 3 Epic friends right there. And I have more, but it's just not showing it. They're offline. Those are the ones online. So yeah, basically just go to Epic. Everyone has an Epic account. You have to have one in order to play Fortnite. Link it to your Xbox, and then basically you can go in on the tab on the left by clicking the button on your Xbox controller, the one below the Xbox button, the one with like the 2 squares, and then just click add Epic friend if you want to add someone else, and then yeah, that's basically it. If you want to play with PS4 players, you want to play with PC players, this is how you do it. It's very straightforward. Just go over to the tab, add your PS4 friends Epic name, it'll pop up, and then you can add them as a friend, and then from there you can just click invite to party, and that's basically it. Like, the only difference here is your friend isn't going to be under your Xbox Live friend, it's going to be under your Epic friends, and that kind of makes sense because this is Xbox and it's showing your Xbox friends first because they want you to play with your Xbox friends rather than anyone else. And here you can just see I'm basically just screwing around with settings right now. I saw a video that said there was an option under settings that said like allow cross-platform play, and while I was recording this, I went into it thinking, oh, maybe I'll show that from my video, but I scrolled up and down and I actually couldn't find this option, and the guy said that you couldn't. Some people are having trouble finding that option, but for me it's just there was no option at all. I think maybe they got rid of it and you can just now play cross-platform without any toggle turning it on or off. I think that's what that means right now. I don't know, you can see I'm like wicked confused in this menu right here, but it's whatever, guys. This is very straightforward. Fortnite has had cross-platform out for a while now. You can now play Xbox players can play with PlayStation players as well as PC players, and there's no boundary, there's no limit on who you can play with basically. So if you have a friend on PS4 and you have an Xbox, just add their Epic account name, go over to the tab on the left and then just click invite to party. It'll be straightforward just like that. I have a bunch of PS4 friends that I play with all the time, and it works seamlessly. There's no issues with connecting or anything. If there's ever an issue, I just reset my game and it works perfectly fine. So I hope you guys found this tutorial very useful. I hope that you learned something new, and I hope you guys can enjoy this cross-platform feature. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell. If you want a free shout out, just let me know you've turned on notifications, do all that good stuff, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and make sure to leave a like, and peace.